Video, I'm going to analyze the Christmas niche. I'm going to show you the deleted designs. I'm also going to show you the trending designs on t-shirts, on hoodies, and on phone cases. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching till the end. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you a bunch of deleted designs for Christmas niche, to be specific, and trending Christmas designs on hoodies, phone cases, and t-shirts. Then I'm also going to show you an additional niche that is trending and not many people are uploading to. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I want to first start with these deleted designs, then I'm going to go into the trending niches. I thought to start with this because it's pretty interesting, the kinds of designs that are being deleted. We all know that this is my Christmas pajama shirt. It's one of the top selling designs. Anything that has to do with a Christmas pajama is really selling well. So the reason why this one has been deleted, I have no idea. And if we keep scrolling, you'll see a bunch of designs like this one right here, this Let's Go Brandon. I think it's being deleted because the Let's Go Brandon niche is not safe. That's what I think. I'm not too sure about that. I'm not sure if it's about Trump design or if it's a Let's Go Brandon niche, but I am of the opinion that it's the Let's Go Brandon niche that is not safe, and that's why I don't recommend those designs on this channel anymore. So we'll keep scrolling. These snitches get stitches. I think it's coming from a movie. If you guys know why it's been deleted, let me know down in the comment section below. But that's what I think. Then this Margot, I don't know Margot. I don't also know why this is getting deleted. I know Margot is someone's name, obviously, but is it a TV series, a movie? Where is this coming from? Obviously, this one is getting deleted because Hallmark. We all know Hallmark is a company that is Christmas related. They even have Hallmark movies. Yeah, they have Hallmark cards, Hallmark. They mostly deal with holiday cards and movies. So we'll keep scrolling. This is my Christmas pajama shirt. I don't also know why this was removed. Hallmark again, Todd, someone's name, and Hallmark again. So yeah, what we are learning what we shouldn't be making on our designs. Anything that relates to a name that you don't have any rights to upload or make a design about, please don't do it. You're just risking your account, guys. Then this one right here, it says my day, wallow in self-pity, stayed in the app. I don't really know why this is getting removed. Anyway, guys, so these are a bunch of shirts. I want to jump into the top niches for today. Then if I have more time, I'm gonna continue with these deleted designs. I don't want to make the video too long. That's why I want to jump right away into the top niches in the Christmas niche, to be specific. So this is just an overview of all the Christmas designs that are trending. So what I did was I went to Fly Research, link in the description below. If you want to get a discount, is use the code moneyonline20 for a 20% discount. And when you land on your dashboard, go to bestsellers, then type the niche you want to focus on. In this case, it's Christmas. So I type Christmas and I put it on the shirt. All marketplaces, if you want to focus on a particular marketplace, maybe like Amazon.com, that's the US marketplace, you can specify here US if you want to another marketplace, maybe Germany, you can specify. But I like doing all marketplaces because I want to see the designs that are trending in all the marketplaces. I know some people only upload to one marketplace, like the US to be specific. I know it's the largest marketplace, but there's a ton of competition there too. So if we can upload our designs to other marketplaces, we stand a better chance at making sales. So that's why I do my research in all the marketplaces. So I can see all the designs that are trending in all the marketplaces. So I did for Christmas, I searched Christmas and t-shirt or marketplace and hit search. And these are the top trending designs under the t-shirt product. And you can see the first five. I've spoken about them I've done previous videos about them, top five niches. And it's quite surprising that this I paused my anime to be here landed in this top five, top 10 actually. One, two, three, four, five. Yes, top 10, because it's nothing related to Christmas. So it's quite surprising that this is here, this is here, this is here. I'm guessing that they've included Christmas in their keywords. That's why the people are purchasing it. But overall, we can see that the top trending designs has to do with dabbing. I've always talked about dabbing. Anything that has to do with dabbing, look at this. One, two, three. The three the three top designs, or the three yes, there are three dabbing shirts in the top designs. That shows you that dabbing niche is really doing well. They have cross niching with animals like cats. I think I saw a dog down somewhere. This one is cross niching with a sloth. Dino. Yep. You see, they're cross niching with different animals. This one is a sorry guys, I've forgotten the name of this raccoon. There you go, raccoon. So you can cross niche with different animals. If you can design very well, that will be a good thing to do. Then obviously you have ugly Christmas shirts, also dabbing, and Christmas tree, T-Rex again, glass. So I'm gonna leave this right here. These are the top trending Christmas designs. So we'll come to the end. So these are the top trending Christmas designs under the t-shirt product. And as you can see, if we can create better designs like this, what I notice is with these designs is that they are very bold, big, and they're very colorful. So if you just want to create a design that is just white text on black background, I know that is a bare minimum, but as you can see, all these t-shirts have a bunch of colors. Look at this one, very colorful. If you want to make a t-shirt that is going to beat your competitor, you have to come up with you have to bring your A game. And bringing your A game, you don't have to make designs that is just one color, like a white text on black background, or just text, or just an image. If you can mix both images, text, that will be awesome. Like this one right here, a mixture of images and text. This one too, mixture of images and text. So moving to the next is hoodie. So I did the same thing, search for Christmas, all marketplaces, hoodie. And here are all the top trending designs under hoodies. I know not many people upload to hoodies. Everyone is, oh, t-shirt, 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 t-shirt. But hoodies are also selling under the Christmas niche. So what can we learn from this? This one right here is quite funny, guys. You see the same thing here. So happy Easter, happy 4th of July with your Christmas background, the bells, the reindeer and everything. It's quite funny. Whoever thought about this is quite an awesome niche. And look at this. It has sold 223 times and no review yet, guys. It just shows you how hot people are purchasing this shirt. Let's take a look at it on Amazon. I'm quite interested in this niche. Hoodies. Let's see on Amazon. Oh, we already have a review yet. Let's see, BSR. Wow, guys. And Very low BSR, guys, just 7,000, and it was added November 10th. Whoa, it's not even up to a month, guys. And look at how it has sold, like 300. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm really interested in this niche. Okay, this one is on a sweatshirt. This is on a sweatshirt. I thought I typed hoodie, or is this? I think it's a mixture between sweatshirts and hoodies. Let's see this one. This one looks like a hoodie. Okay, guys, so it's a mixture between sweatshirts and hoodies. When you see this, that means it's a hoodie, and plain like this is a sweatshirt. So let me open this and see if I'm correct. So open on Amazon. Hoodie, yeah, just what I was saying. So when you click hoodie under here on the product, it's a mixture between the hoodies and sweatshirts. I'm sure they didn't want to take space, so they just grouped it on that one. But this niche is quite an interesting niche. This one right here, mixture between cross niching between Biden, Christmas, um, ugly sweater, forgetfulness, funny, everything combined in one. So, with that being said, let's look at the other designs that are trending. Oh, you have Biden again, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon, which I really recommend. And what else? What else? What else? So it's basically just everything we'll be seeing before. Um, that is it. I know not many people upload to phone cases, especially in the Christmas niche, but phone cases are selling, guys. So as usual, I did the bestsellers, then Christmas, phone cases, all marketplaces, then hit search. So the first ones are not related to Christmas, but when you scroll down, you see a bunch of Christmas related designs that are worth noting, like this one right here, and this one, all Christmas related, and this one too, this one again. So this one, I should be showing you how well it's selling. So let's go back to the top. Yeah, this one here, look at this. It has sold like over 19 times, has 19 reviews. This one 18, 109 reviews, 116 reviews, 31 reviews, 73 reviews. So as you can see, 46, these designs are selling quite well. 79. So if you are hesitating to upload to phone cases, don't hesitate anymore, because as you can see, they are selling, and they sell 13.99 upwards. So this is 13.99 here. It even sells at the price of 18.99. I really like this design. So guys, that's basically it. So one thing that I wanted to talk about is this design. I've noticed it on so many other designs, and I'm picking more interest in it because it has to do with evolution. You have the monkey, then the monkey has evolved to a man, then you have the niche that you're focusing on. So in this case is basketball, and on the next one you have the same thing but on a bike. Then on the third one you have the same thing, grilling. So I've noticed this niche. I've been seeing it a lot, so that's why I had to add it into this. Although it's not Christmas related, but it's on the top page, and when I was doing my research, I came across it. I thought to let you guys know, if you want to do any hobby, grilling, motorcycling, basketball, volleyball, this would be the best way to go because it is proven to be selling quite well. Let's take a look at this one. It's the basketball niche. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. Look at this BSR, guys. It's already approaching 1. So that's what I wanted to let you guys know. So I think we can go back into our deleted designs. We have a little more time to take a look at designs that are being deleted. And you see this niches and stitches thing. Oh, guys, so that's basically it for the Christmas designs. I think they ended up here. Yeah, right here. So this is the last Christmas design that has been deleted, and the other ones are the regular designs that have been deleted before. This famous pumpkins. Yeah, I don't know what was deleted anyway. We are focusing on the Christmas niche, and these are the Christmas designs that have been deleted. This one says Griswold and Co. I'm very sure this is the name of a company, like a real company. So we shouldn't be infringing on others' copyrights, make original designs, and make texts that are text and colorful text, as well as images. Mixture of colorful text and images is what we should be doing. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.